Itineraries in Parma, food, art and landscapes. A journey through the heart of the Parma province, where rolling hills, medieval villages and timeless traditions come together in a land defined by flavor, beauty and authenticity. From the renowned food valley to ancient castles, this is a journey through taste and the local landscape. Parma, the elegant capital of Italy's food valley, welcomes us with a refined harmony of art, music and extraordinary flavor. Recognized worldwide for its culinary heritage, this city is the birthplace of legends such as Prosciutto di Parma and Parmigiano Reggiano, symbols of excellence protected by centuries of tradition. Here, gastronomy is a language spoken in every corner, from historic delicatessens to centuries-old markets, from traditional osterias to contemporary gourmet culture. The surrounding countryside feeds the city with its abundance, creating a perfect balance between rural wisdom and urban sophistication. Parma is not only a destination, it is a sensory experience. A place where taste becomes identity, and every meal tells the story of a land devoted to quality. A gentle passage through agricultural lands where dairy traditions and rural rhythms still define everyday life. Fidenza, an ancient stop on the Via Francigena, reveals itself as a crossroads of history and authentic flavors. In the heart of its historic center, beneath the majestic gaze of the Romanesque cathedral, the culinary traditions of Emilia come to life in taverns and trattorias where fresh pasta is still rolled out by hand and the aromas from the kitchen tell stories of family in the local area. Here, the pilgrim's journey intertwines with that of the palate. Tortelli, tagliatelle and recipes handed down through the ages become a living memory of a bountiful land. A place of wellness and taste, where thermal waters and local gastronomy create a fine balance of relaxation and authenticity. Between hills and plains, Medesano reflects the agricultural heart of Parma, a land where food production begins with the soil itself. Guarded by the imposing Pallavicino castle, Verano combines history and flavor in a setting where medieval heritage meets rural tradition. Near the lush Boschi di Carrega, Sala Berganza offers noble vineyards and culinary excellence rooted in nature's quiet abundance. A small corner of authenticity, where the rhythm of life is slow and deeply connected to the traditions of the hills. Langhirano, world-renowned cradle of Prosciutto di Parma, is where time itself becomes an ingredient. Here, the art of curing ham is elevated to perfection, thanks to a unique microclimate where mountain air meets gentle breezes from the Ligurian coast. In the surrounding hills, centuries of expertise transform simple pork and salt into one of the most celebrated delicacies in the world. A pure and untouched landscape where traditional cuisine is still deeply tied to the rhythm of the Apennine Hills. Discover more at www.elite-media.it.